Yo, what up guys? Product feedback here with another product unboxing. We got the Razer Lycosa here today. This is Razer's keyboard with backlighting, so it cost about 120 Australian dollars. But I was in need of a new keyboard and I had a G15 before and didn't really want to go for another G15, so I was like, we'll try this out. I unfortunately didn't have a too good experience with Razer. I bought the Razer Barracuda 5.1 headset and that broke on me a few times, so after I got their mouse I thought I will give them one more shot and we'll see how they go. So I'm just going to pop this open. We're going to see what it comes with. Make sure you guys also check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. Product feedback, that's the name, remember it. Tell all your friends, tell them to subscribe. The more subscribers I get means the more video unboxings, the more video reviews, tutorials and stuff like that I can put up. Also, yeah, let me know if you have any questions or anything about anything which I could do for you guys. Alright, you guys can see that. It's a different angle. It'll look cooler from this sort of side. Alright, for gamers by gamers Razer. So yeah, pretty neat packaging, a lot better than the Logitech sort of setup they give you is thrown in a box. Again, you get this little Razer pouch thing. For gamers by gamers, razerzone.com. Pull this open, don't rip it or anything. What does this come with? I mean, I don't know what's up with me and struggling to open up. Sorry if I'm off. There you go. Okay. Certificate of authenticity, quick start guide, manual, sweet, some nice stickers. I hate their logo though, and something else. Some crap that you'll never ever use in your life. Alright, what does it say here? Nexus of Dominion, some supposedly good gamer. I reckon I could take him on anyway. What is this? Touch panel, media keys, WASD light, integrated USB. Here we go. So pull this out. Pull the keyboard out. Wow. That looks really nice. It's all glossy, black. It's going to be a pain to keep clean, but no to be. I mean, you either love it or you hate it. But it looks sweet, I reckon, when it's lit up. What do we got in terms of connection wise? Got that down. We got two USBs and a microphone and a headphone jack connection, plugging the back in the computer, which I'll never ever use, but some of you might like that. Wow, this is really glossy black. There's already scratches on there, I haven't even touched it. Anyway, so the USB and the headphone microphones, because there's a USB port on the front or on the back of the keyboard, and you plug in something in there. I might use that for a receiver from one of my wireless mice, and then you got the headphone and microphone jack. And then on the back we got kick flip, so you can raise it up a bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this in, plug it in, and show it to you what it looks like when it's plugged in. Won't be a sec. Okay guys, I've hooked it up now, and I can tell you, I don't know how well you can see this on the video, but the backlighting looks fantastic. I've had people complaining on the web like this is too bright and stuff. It looks bright on the camera, but I think it's just right. But we'll see how it goes for the next few couple of days. This is a size comparison because I was after a smaller keyboard. That's the Logitech Wave wireless keyboard. I nearly forgot what it was. It's about the same size as that. So yeah, And I'll get a review of this keyboard up after I work with it for a few weeks, so you can see you got different brightness setting. That's off. That's just the WASD keys. Yeah, that's all lit up. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing, and if you got one, give me some suggestions, and please subscribe because it will be greatly appreciated. Have a good one, guys.